पाकिस्तानी अमेरिकन स्किल्ड वुमेन ऑर्गेनाइजेशन पैसवो और द ब्रिज मल्टीकल्चरल एडवोकेसी प्रोजेक्ट की जानिब से 26वीं फ्री हलाल फूड पेंट्री और ब्रुकलिन के रिहायशियों को सेंसस 2020 की इफादियत और इस अहम मरदमशुमारी में बहसियत कम्युनिटी शिरकत करने के लिए एक फूड पेंट्री और सेंसस 2020 कैंपेन का इनेकाद इंतहाई तुस्को एहतशाम से किया गया, जहाँ ब्रुकलिन के डिस्ट्रिक्ट अटॉर्नी मिस्टर एरिक गोंजालेस और द ब्रिज मल्टीकल्चरल एडवोकेसी प्रोजेक्ट के सदर मिस्टर मार्क मेयर एप्पल के अलावा पासो की सदर मुमताज़ पाकिस्तानी अमेरिकन खातून मोहतरमा अतिया शहनाज ने शिरकत की। हलाल फूड पेंट्री और सेंसस 2020 के इस अहम इवेंट में सैकड़ों अफराद में फूड बॉक्सेस भी तकसीम किए गए। आइए देखते हैं एक एक्सक्लूसिव रिपोर्ट।
This is the founder of PASO. In the last couple of months, she and her group, the whole group, have been doing incredible jobs.
Thank you so much, Mark Mayor Apple, and thank you so much, Eric Gonzalez, District Attorney here. It's a pleasure and honor you join us today. It's not the first week of our serving the community. This is the 26th week of food distribution, and every day the hot meal 100 people we serving throughout the pandemic. The PASO means the Pak American Skilled Women Organization, based on the empowerment of the women, the gender equality. So during the pandemic, our women proved like the women are not the weak gender, they are more stronger than the men, and they work throughout the pandemic day and night. Door to door we serve the community, we feed the community, and behind the camera we are working a lot for our women community. We are helping our women, provide them the shelter if they are the victim of the abusing, the domestic violence, the sex trafficking, and the different kind of issues we have to address, we have to resolve it with your cooperation. The one time even we arranged the seminar, the one attorney, she came, Goris Laurie, I think, she came and demonstrated our women, educate the women. Like, there is the issue, if they don't have the paper, they have the documents, don't be scared, come forward and do and raise your voice for your rights. So that's all kind of work we are doing every day. We are involved with in the roots of the women's issues and trying to help out in our capacity, because we are not funding by the government. We are not supporting by the city officials. We are not funding by the other, like the big organization. What we are doing our own behalf, and we prove the Pakistani woman is so strong and they can do, if you support them more, they can support them more things. Thank you so much.
So it's a privilege as Brooklyn District Attorney to be here helping our community take care of itself. And to my friend Mark Appel, to the bridge, to all of the people that are involved in doing this, I appreciate this. We need to work together to make sure our communities are strong, that we take care of each other. This has been a tremendously difficult time in our history with COVID, with the things that we're facing, and to our community leaders who are saying that we're going to take care of each other in Brooklyn. I appreciate you, and as the district attorney, I want to work with you, and I want to thank you for doing this. So people need to understand that the district attorney's office is here to protect people. We're here to work with our communities. We're here to make our communities stronger and thrive, and we have to work with all communities. And every community deserves to know that the DA cares. And so I come out today to help serve some meals, but also just to show support and to say thank you for doing this, because I know without this, many people in our community would go hungry. Yeah. But more importantly is that people understand that we love them and we care about them. We want them to be successful, and that Brooklyn is a great place to live, and we're going to do it together as one large multicultural community. There's no separation of the races here or religious beliefs. We're going to work together to make sure that we take care of everyone in our community. So thank you for inviting me, and I look forward to getting down and doing the hard work and helping to serve people. So thank you.
Wonderful to be here today with Atiya Shanaz. She and her staff, all the people working here, have been doing this for weeks and weeks and weeks. Unstoppable, you know, providing thousands and thousands of meals to all the community, whether you're Muslim, whether you're Jewish, whether you're Christian, white, black, whatever it is. If you come here, you get food on Wednesday. So it's so honored for the Bridge Multicultural Organization to co-sponsor this event with Atiya and with the group PASO, amazing group of women that have sacrificed their lives and are here every day from 7 in the morning shopping and picking up the material and dropping it off. And The meals that we provide and Tia provided are really, really great. They fruits, vegetables, milk products, sandwiches, everything inclusive. So we know at least the people that come here, at least they have food for 1 week. And I want to thank the people from Congressman Clark's office, and of course Zimmer, and of course Councilwoman Farrah Lewis's office, who's represented here by Ezra Peen and Atia and the whole gang. I mean, they're doing incredible work, you know. And let us hope that this virus stops and we can continue working on more positive things like educating our kids, protecting our community, and doing great and positive things. And God bless America.
Assalamu alaikum everyone. My name is Salman Khan. I'm the newly elected congressional liaison from Congresswoman Yvette de Clark's office. I'm here to represent her. I would like to thank Paso and Atia Baji for organizing such a great event.
अस्सलाम वालेकुम, मेरा नाम ज़करिया है, मैं ब्रुकलिन इमर्ज से हूँ। और ये कि जो हमारी बहनें हैं जिस तरीके से ये काम कर रही है, आप यकीन करें ये मर्दों से भी आगे है। तो ये कि ये बहुत बड़ी हिम्मत की बात है, स्पेशली जो हमारी आतिया बहन है, तो उन्होंने बहुत ज़बरदस्त इनिशिएटिव लिया है। पिछले ये समझ लें कि तकरीबन कितने 5-6 महीने 7 months, तो 7 महीनों में बस ये आई है और सारा कोने पर छा गई।
Good afternoon. My name is Ezra Peen. I am currently here on behalf of Councilmember Farrah Lewis. First and foremost, we want to thank the Bridge Multicultural Advocacy Project along with PASWO.
Hello everybody, I'm Seema Karatnaya, official representative of the Certified Medical Expert Committee of the World Health Organization, and also newly appointed member of the National Chamber of Health. I would like to say that it's always a pleasure for me to be here. It's always a pleasure for me to join the women that are empowering the world, that are showing an exemplary type of work of what everybody around the planet should be doing. Getting food from money out of their pocket, not depending on any organizations, not depending on any donors.